it keeps deleting my video. So I'm just trying to make this really quick. I hope it doesn't delete it again. But I just got back from the hospital and I'm about to do a trade recap, okay? Yesterday, I was playing basketball and some dude with like square shaped glasses. He was like super weak with his handles. He was dribbling face down, and I go in for the steal, and he like looks up. I steal the ball, like looks up, boom, hits me right in the freaking eye with his glasses, dude. And I got a big old freaking gash right over my eye. I almost lost my freaking eye. And this cut was deep, and it was like gushing blood. I'm sitting there, I'm flat on my freaking butt, and I wipe my face with my white T-shirt that I can never wear again, and my white beater I can never wear again. So those are freaking trashed now. But yeah, I didn't even go to the hospital that day. I actually went to a different gym a couple hours later to go play more basketball. But here we go, trade recap. So we were on Nasdaq. We were looking for trade setups. Dude, I knew this was gonna freaking go up like that, bruh. Oh my gosh. So there's a lot of trading opportunities here. Um, so for shorts, we were looking for Nasdaq shorts. Because we got this 50-minute candle. Obviously looking for the downside. When it comes back up, hits a 5-minute. We don't see any reason to take shorts today though. So we flipped our bias to bullish. S&T right here. We marked it out. So we were taking longs on ES. Why would we take longs on ES, guys? Because ES is the leading indice to the upside. So it takes out liquidity super clean, and it just looks super clean on ES here. So boom, liquidity sweep, 50-minute unmitigated fair value gap, S&T at the lows, and perfect V shape with speed out of that fair value gap. So on the 30-second, we just got the 30-second because of the Black Friday deal. Boom. We could have taken this literally all the way, but there's a 5-minute fair value gap unmitigated right here. So that's where we would have stopped, but we didn't take that trade. Okay, we took this trade right here. We could have taken this trade too, but the highest time frame inversion on this leg would have been a 2-minute fair value gap, and our risk to reward would have been cooked. So we're looking for another entry here. We want to see bullish get respected, bearish get disrespected, and yeah, inversion, whatever. So this is a nice reversal day. It hits this 1-minute fair value gap, which we could have entered off of right there, but then we formed this 30-second order block right here, and then we see that get respected, and then we see this 30-second inversion right here. So boom, enter right here, stop below the lows, and under this this mitigated order block already. So then our TP would be at this LR, low resistance liquidity. This is also data high. And then there's a unmitigated 15-minute fair value gap right there as well. So we had like literally 4 points of liquidity right there. And that was our trade recap. Pretty quick and easy. And yeah, that was our trade of the day right before I went to the hospital. I mean, like, bro, my right side wasn't as deep, but it wasn't even that numb. So I was literally feeling like every freaking poke and prickle on my eye. It's not their fault though, because I didn't say anything. But I was literally just thugging it out like a man. My hands were like relaxed. I was like trying to hide the fact I was in pain, and my body was like so tense. And I was like, But that was like the last 2 stitches. I got 8 stitches. But yeah, our break even spot was at this 30-second equal highs, plus it was 1 minute equal highs, and boom, we were literally break even in like less than a minute. So that was obviously what we wanted to see. There's low resistance liquidity right here. Tula pulled up, so if you were running like super high contracts or whatever, you could have taken TP over here too, and then TP at this one, this one, this one, this one. You could have kept it runners for like all the way over here. But yeah, that was our trade of the day, and there's so much trading opportunities. There's a 15-minute breaker block right here, as you can see. We took a trade off a breaker block in the past. I'm pretty sure I recorded it and whatever. But we get a low, a high, lower low, higher high. As you can see, it taps into and it rejects right off. So we love breaker block plays too. This consequent encroachment right here, it closes right past it, and then I guess it feels the whole thing too. But you could have taken some trade in this off of that, and then if you look on Nasdaq, there's a 50-minute inversion targeting near lunch high right there. Little nice V shape off the high time frame. Respect to bullish for value gaps, disrespecting bearish for value gaps. So yeah, that was our trade of the day, and I just took 2 Tylenol, so I'm about to go rest and lay down, maybe take a nap or something. And yeah, you guys have a good Thanksgiving. I will upload this video really quick and whatever. Okay. So, any questions in the comments? And this is our quickest video I've ever posted.